Maximizing affiliate income. The power of recurring commissions. Promoting products with recurring commissions is a savvy strategy to boost your affiliate earnings. When you successfully refer a customer to a subscription-based service, you receive a commission for each billing cycle they remain subscribed. With high commission rates, you could potentially generate a full-time income by acquiring just a few dozen loyal customers. I've personally experienced the benefits of this approach. In one instance, I earned $350 from a single referral over a 7-month period, thanks to a 40% commission rate. That's a significant return on investment for what essentially amounts to a single click. The key: sticky products. The most lucrative opportunities in affiliate marketing often involve promoting sticky products, those that become integral to a user's routine or business operations. These products are challenging to discontinue once adopted, hence their stickiness. Combining recurring commissions with sticky products creates an exceptionally profitable scenario. Users of these products are less likely to unsubscribe, as doing so would significantly disrupt their work or lifestyle. This translates to long-term stable income for affiliates.